how to stop negative thoughts, how to destroy them. I'm Roubina Khodadin, artist, healer and spiritual guide, and I'll try to give you the necessary steps. First of all, there's a difference between negative thoughts and realistic thoughts. Some thoughts are just realistic. A realistic thought could be, okay, somebody has been horrible to me. It can happen, and this is realistic. It's not negative thinking, or I feel hurt. This is not negative thinking. This is realistic thinking. Negative thinking is more generalizations which are not necessarily true, such as everybody hates me, such as everybody is selfish, because obviously it's not true. There are some people in this world who don't hate you. There are some people in this world who are not selfish. So these are some sort of negative thoughts that when they recur, the point is that we won't try to go against them. We'll first acknowledge them. So we won't fight it. We will acknowledge, oh, okay, there is this thought coming up, fine, okay, let's say. And then second step will be to be a little bit like a guardian, right, of your own mental state. So when it happens again and again, you kind of say, oh, here we go, I'm going again about this. And the third thing is to laugh about it, because if we're thinking, oh, this is a negative thought, why am I having negative thought, and we get in a loop. So accept it, that it is there. Make yourself a little bit aware so that it doesn't happen too often. That specific thought doesn't happen too often. And then also laugh at yourself sometimes. This is like something you can do straight away. But if you need to go a little bit further, because sometimes negative thoughts are linked with our past wounds, sometimes they're linked with emotions which are not processed. Sometimes it's linked with the fact that in the morning, instead of giving some new positive energy to ourselves, we go back into negative loops. So the best thing would be to try put in place the video that's going to appear now, how to be more positive no matter what. And definitely if you try these steps, the question of getting rid of negative thinking is not going to be a question. Look at this, like the video, make sure you join me and subscribe and to the channel, click the little notification bell, and of course you can also book a one-to-one consultation. Link is in the description box below, and follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.